y'all. Thanks for tuning into my channel and seeing what it is that I eat to lose weight in a day. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so just vibe with me and let's eat some good food.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
I don't care what nobody say, y'all. Please clean y'all meat. Right now I'm using salt and vinegar. You can use just salt and water, vinegar and water, salt and vinegar together, lime, lemon, whatever. Just clean your meat. And also, always make sure you're sanitizing your surfaces and washing your hands thoroughly, periodically through the time that you're cooking.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
When I make hot wings, I usually eat them with broccoli and shredded cheese on top, but this time I had some leftover salad, so that's what I ate it with. As long as it's a green, you're good. Keeping it sugar-free with my drink, this raspberry lemonade is so good, it's so refreshing.
Mask on, fuck your mask on, mask on, fuck your mask on.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.